Brother, with the recent situation of things happening in Lagos, where the fires burned some days ago, was it yesterday, around 5 a.m., some huge market was set on fire. And this is a place, just like as usual, we know the normal target was still the ones who fell victim in Lagos. You see, let me tell you one thing. When you live in a place where you know the people are such a bigot to an extent that they can go to any extent to do whatever to satisfy themselves and to destroy the hustle of another man, people have to use their senses. We keep on speaking and calling for the Igbos to think home. Invest your major assets at home. It's very important. The development you are looking at in Lagos, by the time you withdraw your assets and put it in your place, those developments will be there. It is developments that attracts people. When the development in your area grows and you focus more in your place, it will still attract the same people. When the security is enforced in that place, it will still attract the same people. Recently, I am happy to see the good number of people, some of the people who talked about how they relocated to Abia State, wishing that, we keep wishing and praying that the good leadership of Alex Otti will continue in that way, at least as it has to do with a power supply, security, and good road. If these three things are at least given to the city itself, its growth becomes easier. So we'll keep calling for the Igbos to think home. I so muchly strongly believe that the Igbos has what it takes to look away from Lagos, because this deliberately targeted destruction on people's money is an act of wickedness that is in another level, showing you the kind of heart of the people you are living among them. You see, showing you the kind of mindset of the people that you are living among them. When you have a people that can go to the extent of laying hands on another man's sweat, it is not a banter. It's no longer an exchange of words. It has become hatred and witchcraft. And no matter how much you try to do it, longevity matters. It's not about building something to make some money and can't assure how long it will last. Longevity matters. Build something you can